In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how we can solve equations graphically. With the example on the left-hand side, I've already drawn two straight lines. The one in red is y is equal to 4x add 2. The one in blue is y is equal to negative 2x minus 4. In order to simultaneously solve two equations graphically, we're looking for the point of intersection. The point of intersection is negative 1, negative 2. This is a point that satisfies both of the two equations that we've got. Both x and y will be the same in each of these two equations in order for 4x plus 2 to equal negative 2x minus 4. So interpreting the coordinate, x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 2. This is the solution to this problem. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With this question I've got y is equal to 3x minus 2 and y is equal to minus 5x plus 6. Again, in order to solve the problem graphically, I need to find the point of intersection. The point of intersection is at 1, 1. So interpreting the coordinate x will equal 1 and y is equal to 1.